His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Crown Prince of Abu Dhabi, Deputy Supreme Commander of UAE Armed Forces, Honorable Prime Minister, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you to today's ceremony where 4 documents will be exchanged. The first one is titled MOU on Technical Cooperation in Cyberspace and Combating Cybercrime between the Ministry of Interior of the United Arab Emirates and the Ministry of Home Affairs of the Republic of India. This will be exchanged on the UAE side by His Highness Lieutenant General Sheikh Saib bin Zayed Al Nahyan, Deputy Prime Minister and Minister of Interior. On the Indian side, by the Honorable Minister of External Affairs, Srimati Sushma Swaraj. Excellencies, the second MOU is on the establishing a framework for facilitating the participation of UAE institutional investors in infrastructure investments in India between the Government of the Republic of India and the Government of the United Arab Emirates. The agreement is being exchanged on the UAE side by His Excellency Mr. Sultan bin Saeed Al Mansouri, Minister of Economy, and on the Indian side by the Honorable Minister of Finance, Shri Arun Jaitley. The third document to be exchanged is the General Framework Agreement on Renewable Energy Cooperation. This will be exchanged on the UAE side by His Excellency Dr. Sultan Al Jaber, Minister of State, and on the Indian side by the Honorable Minister of State for Petroleum and Natural Gas, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan. The fourth MOU is between the Indian Space Research Organization and the United Arab Emirates Space Agency on cooperation in the exploration and use of outer space for peaceful purposes. This will be exchanged on the UAE side by Dr. Khalifa Mohammad Al Romethi, Chairman UAE Space Agency, and on the Indian side by Shri A.S. Kiran Kumar, Chairman ISRO, Secretary Department of Space. Excellencies, I also had the honor of informing this gathering that 4 more agreements have been signed, or 3 of them have already been signed. 1 will be signed in Mumbai tomorrow. The 3 which have been exchanged. The first one is MOU for bilateral cooperation between Insurance Regulatory Authority of India and the Insurance Authority of UAE. This was exchanged by Mr. Ibrahim Abed Al Zabi, General Director, Insurance Authority of UAE, and on the Indian side by Shri T.S. Vijayan, Chairperson, IRDAI. The second agreement already exchanged, Executive Program for Cultural Cooperation between India and UAE, on the Emirati side by Dr. Abdul Rahim Yusuf Al Awadi, Assistant Foreign Minister of Legal Affairs, and on the Indian side by Shri N.K. Sinha, Secretary, Ministry of Culture. The third agreement already exchanged on the sidelines is the letter of intent between the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and the National Qualification Authority, Government of UAE, on the cooperation for skill development and recognition of qualifications. This was exchanged between Dr. Thani Al Moheri, General Manager, and on the Indian side by Shri Rohit Nandan, Secretary, MSDE. The fourth agreement, which will be exchanged in Mumbai tomorrow, is the MOU between Dubai Economic Council and the Export-Import Bank of India. This will be exchanged between Mr. Hani Rashid Al-Hamli, Secretary General DEC, and on the Indian side by CMD Exim Bank, Shri Yaduvendra Mathur. This, Excellency, brings us to the conclusion of the exchange agreement ceremony. Thank you.
Congratulations, Excellency. Thank you, friends. Thanks a lot.